Found a note in my backpack from August. Said we never go back where we started. Came home from break, you placed your head on my chest, and I stayed too long and forgot why I left. Cut my tongue at a party last night, and I spilled my blood on that girl that I like. She cried and kissed me in the laundry room. Thank God I drank enough so that I could think about you. And I never remember face on purpose, but I've seen hers like 10 times since. Who gives a kid a handgun? Who gives a kid to a mom who doesn't want one? Who lets that kid fall in love? Who never taught him enough is enough is enough? Who let him into a bar and kiss a dude in the back?